Hello friends, welcome back to Agriculture Warrior YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the type of farming. I hope you all are well. So let's start the video. First, we have to understand what is the type of farming. As you can see the slide, on the basis of similarity in the crop production and livestock rearing, we have different type of farming. The type of farming refer to the nature and degree of product or combination of products being a produce and the method and the practices used for them. If we classify the type of the farming on the basis of the similarity in the crop production and the livestock rearing, we have different type of the farming. The first is specialized farming. What is the specialized farming? As the name is indicate, specialized. Something is special. Okay. When a farm is organized for the production of a single commodity and this commodity is the only source of income, the farm is said to be specialized farming. The major enterprises contribute more than 50% of the total farm income. For example, sugarcane farm, cotton farm, poultry farm, dairy farm, wheat farm, etc. In specialized farming, major enterprises contribute more than 50% of the total farm income. Okay. When the farm is organized for the production of a single commodity, this called farm specialized farming. The next is diversified farming. Diversified farming, when a farm is organized to be produce several products, each of which itself a direct source of income. The farm business is said to be diversified farming. In diversified farming, no single enterprises contribute 50% of the total farm income. Previously, we discussed the specialized farming. In specialized farming, the single enterprises contribute the more than 50% of the total farm income. But in the diversified farming, no single enterprises contribute 50% of the total farm income. That is the main difference between the specialized farming and diversified farming. Okay. Next is mixed farming. What is the mixed farming? It is the type of farming under which crop production is combined with the livestock raising. And the at least 10% of the gross income must be contributed by the livestock. It is the main key component of mixed farming. In the mixed farming, at least 10% of the gross income must be contributed by the livestock. And this contribution is in any cases should not be excess 49%. That's called the mixed farming. Okay. The next is ranching. What is the ranching? The practices of grazing animal on public lands. This called ranching. In the ranch land is not used for the raising of the crop, but growing of natural grasses we use for the grazing for the animals on the public lands. That's called the ranching. Ranching is follow in Australia, America, and Tibet. Now we discuss the dry farming. What is the dry farming? Cultivation of crop in region where the annual rainfall of less than 750 millimeter. Crop failure is most common due to the prolonged dry spell during the crop period. So the crop moisture management practices follow in the dry farming. Okay. If we talking about the what is the dry farming are those areas where the annual rainfall is less than the 750 mm. Okay. Next is dry land farming. What is the dry land farming? Cultivation of crop in region which annual rainfall of more than 750 mm. Moisture conservation practices are necessary for crop productions. Okay. The next is rain-fed farming. What is the rain-fed farming? Cultivation of crop in region with a annual rainfall of more than 1150 mm. Okay. If we're talking about the rain-fed farming areas in Uttar Pradesh, that's the Gorakhpur areas where the moisture and humidity is more prolonged during the annual rainfall. Okay, so the rain-fed farming annual rainfall of more than 1105 mm. What is the factor affecting the type of farming? First is physical factor and the second is economic factor. First we understand what is the physical factor affecting the type of the farming. First is climate. What is the climate? Climatic condition. That is the temperature. It could be a temperature, air, rain, humidity, etc. What is the soil? What is the type of the soil? Your soil could be acidic, alkaline, basicity, etc. Topography of the soils. What type of your soil? Upland soils, lowland soil, etc. Now we discuss the economic factors which is affecting the type of the farming. What is the economic factor? First is marketing cost. What we availability of the marketing cost of the our productions or our commodities. The second is relative profitability of enterprises. If we select any type of the farming system, first we understand what is the profitability of the enterprises with the combination of the each other. Okay, the third is availability of the capitals. Fourth is availability of the labor. If we selecting the farming system, we first must understand what is the availability of labor or those particular areas. Okay, land values. Six is cycle over the under the productions. Seventh is competition between the enterprises. Eight is personal like and dislike of the farmer. So this is all about the type of the farming, different type of farming, or what is the factor affecting the farming. I hope you all are understand well. If you have any doubt of in this video, you can comment on comment box. If you like our video, please like and share our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video in the last end. Thank you so much.